There's this pool back here. I heard it was built by Ortiz. Y'all familiar with that?
Yeah, I heard about them.
I think if we dress up like what we were, we might be able to get in the back and check out that pool. Hey, what's up, guys? So we are state inspectors. We come out and check all the pools in the area and whatnot. And
You work for the state?
yeah, we work for the state. You don't believe that?
You're in flip-flops?
These are state issue flip flops. So
You got your address right here.
yeah,
Safety inspection.
yeah, we gotta check out your pool.
Handwritten?
Because the printer it ran out of toner today.
Okay.
So
Yeah, seems legit. Come on in.
Yeah.
A few moments later.
You make my day.
What are you guys doing? I thought you were inspectors.
We're inspecting the pool.
Why are you in the pool?
We just gotta make sure it's safe.
Yeah. I gotta get in here.
Yeah. Doesn't seem legit anymore.
If you want a beautiful pool like this, give us a call.
Budget 20-day science swim.
386-313-6055.
Warning, if you have an Ortiz Pool built, be prepared for unexpected splash of attention. Don't be surprised if random inspectors start showing up with clipboards trying to pass off their curiosity as official business just to take a dip in your pool. Consider yourself warned.